Hi everyone! Today is day 1 for the lockdown here in Malta, and I'm gonna show you my beauty regimen. Actually, I've been using my phone like since morning and I got bored now. So I'm kind of show you right now what beauty regimen I have. It's very basic and it's very simple, just to keep rejuvenating your skin. So the products that I use are the following: the A Beauty Day Cream. I have the A Beauty Night Cream. Before you sleep, you put that one. Then I have the toner one and the toner 2. See. So basically, if I have to start with toner 1. So here I kind of wet the cotton and apply ample amount on your face. Yes, so you see there's nothing on me. No powder, nothing. It's my bare face. So these A Beauty products were purchased from my friend in Manila. They have a dermatology, they have a shop in Malate. So there. Yeah. You have to always put it up like that. And the other side. Yeah, excuse my cracked lips. Okay. Then after the one, you see, I didn't put anything on my face. It's bare. And it's clean, indeed. So after the toner 1, will be the toner 2. So I will be applying now. Toner 2. Here you go. Toner 2 is kind of astringent. The toner 1 is kind of cleanser. So I just put a little droplet of toner 2 because I don't want to feel burn or itchiness because it's an astringent. There you go. All right. So now after that, I put my Cetaphil lotion for the face. It's a moisturizer, which I put to moisture my face. There you go. Especially in this part because I kind of have a dark eye bag. Darker eye bag. Yeah, it's just there to nourish it. And then pat. Okay. Alright. Okay. And then let me remove that lotion. I put my day cream. Here you go. I put just a small amount. Yeah, I just use my fingertip to apply this. Yeah, it's officially the first day of lockdown here in Malta, and we are advised to stay home, to distance ourselves from crowded areas. So since I'm working in the hotel, since I'm working with the kids, and the kids area is closed for the time being, so I'm just at home, staying safe as my boss wants my security and safety. So I was told to stay home while we let the situation pass. Alright. So, that's the very basic cream that I put in the day. Nothing else. It has an SPF already, SPF 25. Alright. Now, if you want more coverage, after the day cream, I usually cover mine with the Body Shop foundation. This. I usually put on my here and then dab again. There you go. Just a little bit, because I don't want to look so cakey on my face. And the Body Shop works really well for me. And by the way, that is the Matte Clay Skin Clarifying Foundation from the Body Shop, and it's Havana Sam 02. You see, it blends on my skin. So you choose whatever suits your skin, and then just leave it there. Top. You see, very bare, very natural. No filter added, not even my camera. So what you see is what you get. Diba? There you go. And since Kilay is life, I'm using the Etude House Tint My 4-Tip Brow. This one. Been using this for